prep is for our first storefront here in Greenville. We have been in business for 6 years now, doing meal prep in all the upstate, helping people eat healthier and continue with their lifestyle. And so now we have a location where you can call home and also where people can come see us anytime and buy meals from our fridge in the lobby. We also still do our meals by order on our website, and they can either come pick them up at our location. We can still deliver to them all around the upstate. And also for those who are gonna pick up meals, we also now have a drive-through window, so you don't even have to get out of your car. So you can just swing around the back, and from here we can get you and deliver your food. We're gonna have our grand opening on Saturday, November 5th from 11 in the morning till 4 p.m. We're gonna have vendors, music, samples, raffles, giveaways, and a lot more.